Hi everyone, how are you? So, today I will show to you how to change the protector, glass protector, the complete protector, how to replace iPhone XR and iPhone 11. So let's do it. This is the phone and this is the protector iPhone XR. So let's start and do it like this. First take with the protectors and these wipes. So remove the anti-disappearing plastic sheet and then clean it the screen and this is wipes, wet and dry wipes. First you do with the wet one and then dry the screen also like here. So first is this one is wet, so this one you can clean it all. So too much dust in the ears, so you need to very carefully put the protector. Now I will do it with the dry the screen. When you dry it, you can remember that your screen is completely dried. So that then protector is going well fixed. Otherwise, it's bubble is coming in the screen. So remember that dry it and clean it very well. When you are sure it's dry, then put the protectors. I think it's well dried now. That you see the dust in the screen first, and then you can put the protector glass. So I think it's good. When the bubble is coming, You can put the protector off. Here. It's better. Press in center and then in corner. So it's well fixed. Well fixed. You can remove the little bubble in corner with little press, not too much hard press because the LCD screen is broken if you press very hard. So little bit press it and the bubble is gone. So your protector is almost it's done. It's very easy to apply. Also it's apply at home himself. So you can see this all is working well. It's working good. So it's all done. So today I will show to you, and it's finished now. It's iPhone XR, the protector. How to replacement I will showing to you before, but now it's finished. Remember that you subscribe my channel. I hope you like my videos, other repairings, and how to replace the glass, how to replace the LCD screen, and other battery replacement and other videos also. You can like my videos, and this is all done. So remember that you subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and also you put the comment here there if you want to. I will reply very soon. So see you next time. I make more video for you. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.